Hello and welcome to this review of what I got in my May Boxycharm box. You got choices, they gave you some items, and then you used your points. Yes, there's lots of ways to get things on the Boxycharm by Ipsy website. You can buy things in their store. We did not do that this time around. You can use your points. We did that. You get points by reviewing items from your boxes on their website, and then you can spend that in a special store. In the monthly box, you get to make 3 choices, and then they have 2 items that they pick for you based on a profile that you fill out. So let's hurry up. The suspense is killing me. Let's go. My first item is a blush. It is from Lovecraft Beauty. This is something that I chose, and the shade on this is an itty bitty little print, and it is called Mercury Moves. I thought that was a nice shade for spring heading into summer. I do like a pink blush. This next item is from Aceology, and Anna's excited to see this lip mask because she has previously used some. Yes, I have used an overnight lip mask, not in this particular berry glaze. I don't know if it's a shade or a scent, but I have used the overnight lip mask and was very pleased, so I was happy to make this one of my choices. This is a cleanser from Benefit. It is called the Professional, and it's called Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser Mousse. Now, I'm trying a small deluxe sample that I got in the Benefit Advent Calendar. And when it said mousse, I was expecting, like the hair products from way back when, where you would squirt out a little bit and it would poof into this great big foam. That's not the way this one works. This one comes out as a gel, and then it says as you lather it, it becomes a bubbly foam. I'm not necessarily seeing that in the sample that I'm trying, yet I am pleased with its cleansing abilities. So I thought, let's go ahead and choose it, because I wasn't that thrilled with all of the choices. They were not as intriguing as you thought. No, they weren't, but there were still some good choices, so I went with something that I knew I would use. And that item has lemon and yuzu extract. We are halfway through the box. What's your favorite? I think my favorite, I would have to go with the Aceology product for the overnight lip mask. Have you tried that one? What did you see that you might like? Comment down below, because I'm a nosy camel. Yes, you are. Hey, it works. And now, moving right along with this video, I used 1,800 of my points for this next item. It is from R&Co. It is a watermelon wave spray. And that's what it looks like. I like the color scheme to it. Anne was excited because she likes things watermelon scented. Oh yes, I do like me a good watermelon. Unfortunately, I took a sniff of this. It smells like a cardboard box. So I'm definitely disappointed in that aspect. But I've got it, so I'm going to give it a try. It's something that you spray on your hair when it is damp, and then either let it dry naturally or blow dry with a diffuser, trying, in other words, to get this to have a little bit more of its own natural curl and oomph. So again, this is the R&Co Dreamhouse Cold Pressed Watermelon Wave Spray. We shall see what happens. And then there were 2 items that Boxycharm fixed based on Anne's profile. The first one I'm definitely excited about. It is from Ahava, and it is the Time to Hydrate Hydration Cream Mask. And I do like a good face mask, usually about once a week. And it says here on the back that it is a blend of minerals, Dead Sea waters, and it's powered and enriched with Dead Sea mud, soothing aloe, and shea butter and vitamin E. And that you can either put it on and wash it off after 3 to 5 minutes, or you can put it on and leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. So this goes into the lineup for mask products. And if you're not familiar with my channel, I have an ongoing series where I pit 2 facial masks against each other and come up with a winner. So check that out when you're done with this video, because it is quite the series. Yes, it is. I am definitely excited for this eyeshadow palette. This was the other product that they picked for me. I don't know if it shows up. I am a woman. What's your superpower? It does have a mirror. Those are the shades. I am a camel. What's your superpower? Do you want to do swatches? You have to ask. She had to ask. Oi! Rush now. I'll take that as a yes. From the Ciate London eyeshadow palette, the Camel will now do swatches. Nice job with these swatches, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I think swatching is one of my superpowers, along with shopping. What did you see in this half of the box that you liked? Let me know. I'm an inquiring camel. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty in case anyone is interested in specific prices or box information. This is a $30 a month box. I believe there's a handling fee. Shipping is free. They do have different payment groupings. We're on an annual plan, so we're at $25 a month. After taxes, it comes out to be about $28 a month. And like I said, there's lots of ways to get products through Boxycharm, through the Ipsy website that they are now merged with. My box had an overall retail value of $150. That does not include the watermelon hair product. That was a separate points purchase. The Ahava mask is $37. The Ciati London palette is $45. The Benefit cleanser, $29. The Aceology overnight lip mask, $19. And the Love Craft blush, $20. So all things considered, I'm pleased with all of the products, with the exception of the unfortunate issue with the watermelon product. But even though it doesn't smell like watermelon, maybe it'll still work good. We'll have to find out and let you know. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel. Oh, and there's a link down below if you're thinking about subscribing to Boxycharm by Ipsy. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. We hope to see you soon. I can't believe you had to ask me if I wanted to do swatches. I'm a camel. That's my superpower. Along with shopping. That's a camel for you. You better believe it.